Hi everyone, it's Emma from Movius Makes. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my die-cut vinyl stickers. The tools I use for these stickers include my Cricut Maker 3, my Epson EcoTake printer, and Procreate on my iPad Pro. After I finish creating my artwork on Procreate, I go in with my monoline brush and add a white outline to the border of the picture. This is where the Cricut will be cutting out the sticker. With the background disabled, I then save the file as a PNG. Then I start a new project in my Cricut design space. Upload my file as a flat graphic. I add it to the canvas, size it down, and duplicate it to the amount of stickers I want. Of course, I have to turn on my Cricut machine and connect it to my iPad through Bluetooth. Then I can send the file to my printer. I set my print settings to be matte photo paper and the best quality because I'm printing on matte vinyl sticker paper. The sticker paper that I buy comes with a handy paper for instructions on how to use the paper properly in your printer, as well as troubleshooting info. After printing, it's time to stick it onto one of my Cricut sticky mats. This one that I'm using has lost a lot of its stick from use, but it still works great if I just use some tape to secure down the corners. I like to laminate my stickers to ensure that they're durable and will look good for a long time. Since the self-lamination sheets I get are a little too big for the page, I trim it down to fit onto my sticker sheet better. Then I peel off the tab it has for you, stick it down onto my sticker sheet, and then use my felt squeegee to press it onto the rest of the page. The setting I use for cutting the stickers out is Smart Paper Matteless Sticker Cardstock, and I always change the pressure to more. Now it's time to give it over to my Cricut. The Cricut rolls it in, scans the black borders, and then begins to cut. I love to watch my Cricut while it cuts and give it lots of encouragement so that it does a good job. Once it's finished, I take the mat over to my desk and peel the stickers off. This is the most satisfying part of the process. And after that, the stickers are finished. I hope this super quick tutorial was helpful to you, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching!